The Sukhoi Su-24 is a variable geometry all-weather bomber aircraft that was introduced to service in the 1970s by the Soviet Air Force. Nearly 1,400 supersonic aircraft was produced by the Sukhoi Design Bureau between 1967 and 1993 and delivered to 13 different countries including Russia, Iran, Sudan, Libya, Algeria, Ukraine and Russia, still using more than 450 aircrafts. The twin-engine aircraft offered a rare side-by-side seating arrangement and included a variety of technological upgrades in comparison to other fighter bombers of the era that included an integrated digital attack system. The supersonic plane remains in service today with the Russian Aerospace Forces, the Syrian Air Force, the Ukrainian Air Force, Iranian Air Force and the Algerian Air Force. This supersonic bomber has seen 50 years of Soviet and Russian history and encountered action across the globe. The Su-24 traces its origins to 1965, when the Soviet military commissioned the Sukhoi Design Bureau, which has since been merged into the United Aircraft Corporation, to study a new variable geometry concept for a strike aircraft. This plane was designed to be somewhat of a response to the General Dynamics F-111 Aardvark, a similar variable geometry multi-role combat aircraft that first entered service with the United States Air Force in 1967. The jet that Sukhoi designed first flew in 1970, and deliveries to the Soviet Air Force followed shortly afterward. The aircraft was crewed by two and could achieve an impressive maximum speed of over 1,400 miles per hour at cruising altitude. The plane had massive two Lyulka Al-21 F3A turbojet engines which propelled it to supersonic speeds, engines rated at over 24,000 pounds of thrust. The aircraft could also operate in extremely high altitude conditions, with a service ceiling of nearly 60,000 feet. The jet was equipped with a singular 1.19-inch GSH-23 6-barreled cannon alongside 9 external pylons, which could handle up to 17,635 pounds of armament. The aircraft's range, however, was rather limited as it was restricted to a combat radius of just 650 miles. A number of different Su-24 variants were built throughout the years. These programs, launched in 1999 and 2000 respectively, involved upgrading Su-24M aircraft to the Su-24M2 standard. This included adding a new weapons control system, the SVP-24 navigation and weapons aiming system, incorporating GPS and GLONASS, and a new ILS-31 head-up display. This is a crucial upgrade that improves navigation and weapons targeting, allowing for more precise bombing and missile strikes. The Su-24 has been equipped with a wider range of weapons, including modern precision-guided missiles, air-to-surface missiles, like the KH-31 and KH-59MK, and bombs like the KA-B500S. Modernization efforts have also included integrating electronic warfare systems, such as the M2, to enhance the Su-24's survivability against air defenses. A different variant, the Su-24MR, was built as a tactical reconnaissance aircraft. Regarding combat, the Su-24 has been involved in engagements worldwide and remains actively involved in today's conflicts. The Soviet-Afghan War and the Lebanese Civil War both saw the jet perform airstrikes, and the aircraft again saw action in the Middle East during Operation Desert Storm. In the Caucasus, the fighter bomber has completed missions multiple times, including during the First and Second Chechen Wars, as well as the 2008 Russo-Georgian War. In recent years, the aircraft has been involved in the Yemeni Civil War, operating for the Sudanese Air Force. Today, the aircraft, ex-Russian Air Force fighters, is actively involved in the conflict in Ukraine against Russia. According to the Kyiv Post, the plane has been equipped with British-made Storm Shadow cruise missiles, and Su-24 squadrons have been tasked with targeting high-value Russian assets. The Sukhoi Su-24, also known as the Fencer, has been the subject of multiple modernization programs, primarily aimed at enhancing its capabilities and combat effectiveness. These upgrades include incorporating new weapons systems, navigation and targeting systems, and advanced avionics. Ukrainian engineers have also modified Su-24s to launch Western missiles, like the Skalpy-G, Storm Shadow, extending their range and capabilities and used against Russian targets. 24 Su-25 are still in service with the Ukrainian Air Force, a legacy of Soviet Air Force left behind. The Su-34 is planned to eventually replace the Su-24 and the Tu-22M3 as the primary strike aircraft, but due to shortage of funds and excellent performance against Ukrainian forces, Russian Air Force extensively using Su-24. The modernization of the Su-24 has significantly improved its combat effectiveness, precision, and range. It has also enhanced the aircraft's ability to operate in a wider range of conditions and against a variety of targets. The upgrades have made the Su-24 a more formidable long-range strike platform.